Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to host your static website on GitHub Pages. I got a folder here, website, and in this folder I got three files, index file, script file, and the style sheet. I want to host this website on GitHub. Let's go to github.com, and here first of all we need to create a repository. So simply click on new, give it a name, let's make it website, scroll a bit, make sure the visibility is public. If you make it private, you cannot host it. You have to upgrade your account on github.com, and that will cost you around, I think, $48 a year. So make sure it's public if you want to host it for absolutely free without paying anything. Then simply click on create repository button here. Now we need to run this command to push our website to GitHub. So in the folder, simply right click and click on open with code. You can push it using whatever tool you have, but in my case I will go with the VS Code editor. Now in the VS Code editor, simply go to view, click on terminal, maximize it. Now go to GitHub website, copy the first command, paste it here, press enter, then type here git add space dot to stage all files, then copy this commit command, paste it, enter, copy this, paste it, press enter. Your branch will be main. Copy this to add the origin, paste, enter, and this one is the last one to push it. Paste it here, press enter. So we are done. Let's go to github.com, refresh this. So these are the code files. Now simply go to settings. On the left hand side, you will find pages. Click on it. Now on this page, keep the source deploy from a branch, and here pick the branch, make it main. Keep it root. Click on save. Now click on actions. So you can see the build has started. Click on it. Click on build. So here you can see what is happening behind the scenes. So build is done. Now deployment is pending. Once it is done, we'll see if the site is deployed or not. So finally it's done. Now let's go to settings. Scroll, click on pages, and here you will find your site link. In my case it is this. Let's click on visit site, and that's the website. So I hope you understood how you can host your static website on GitHub Pages. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.